This is Saki. Saki is also known to be part of Okeogun in Oyo State. Saki is a city town situated in the northern part of Oyo State in western Nigeria. Saki is also known to share border with Benin Republic, which I am very sure a lot of people don't know about. There are 3 local government areas in Saki, which are Saki West, Saki East, and Wewe local government area. Saki is one of the beautiful cities in Oyo State, and over the next 3 days, I'm going to be exploring it. I have been to other parts of Oyo State, but visiting Saki was never on my mind as a place to visit until now. I was thinking on a place to visit before I decided to visit Saki. I was told that Saki is a safe place and people are nice and accommodating. My plan was to make this trip possible and cheap because I had limited resources. So I set a budget of 100,000 naira and not to go over. One of the things I value in my life is to make friends. So I met Aminulai online and he was from Saki. So I chatted him and told him I would love to visit Saki during the Christmas holidays. He was happy to be my host. Aminulai left Oyo State to Saki, his hometown, just to welcome me. And trust me guys, it's worth it. Meeting Aminulai was totally amazing and it was helpful. Guys, it's time to explore Saki. it's time to go.
It's not everybody that can do it.
It's not everybody, or no,
It's passion.
So guys, blacksmith industry Ogidigbo was our first stop for today. As a Lagos boy, I have read a lot about blacksmith industry, but we don't get to see things like this in the city. But today, I am not just seeing it, but I'm going to be experiencing it. This is the place where cutlass, knife, and some other interesting tools used in a farm are being made locally.